Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you the updated, simple way to schedule sending a sticker in a Telegram group. This feature is perfect if you want to plan your messages ahead and make your chats more fun and timely. First, open your Telegram app and head straight to the group chat where you want to send the sticker. Once you're in the group, look at the bottom of the screen and tap the emoji icon. This will open your sticker and emoji panel. Next, browse through your stickers and find the one you want to send later. Instead of just tapping it, press and hold the sticker. This long press will bring up a menu with several options. From the options that appear, tap on Schedule. This lets you pick the exact time you want your sticker to be sent to the group. A clock or calendar interface will pop up, allowing you to select the date and time that works best for you. After setting the time, confirm your choice, and Telegram will schedule the sticker to be sent automatically at that moment. You don't have to be online or do anything else. Telegram takes care of it for you. This scheduling feature is great for reminders, celebrations, or just to surprise your group members with a fun sticker at the perfect time. It's easy, efficient, and adds a new level of control to your messaging. So to recap, open Telegram and go to your group chat, tap the emoji icon at the bottom, press and hold the sticker you want to schedule, tap Schedule from the menu, choose your desired time and confirm. And that's it. Your sticker will be sent automatically at your chosen time. Give it a try, and make your Telegram groups more lively and organized with scheduled stickers. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your messaging.